Well, Caelan says she wants to be showcased while driving the Kubota.
No, I was trying to think of a good vlog idea.
Well, you got one.
It's kind of nicer than a four-wheeler because when you go fast, the bugs can't hit you in the face. Let's go for a little cruise.
All right, she wants to go look at the cattle.
No, I want to go for a cruise. Kendal can look at the cattle.
I'll look at the cattle. Here's the nice thing is I don't think she can get this stuck quite like she could get a pickup stuck because...
Okay, I have never gotten a pickup stuck before, have I? No, that's...
No, you haven't. But the other day, we actually took this down the irrigation road, which is like a mud road, in the middle of a thunderstorm to turn off the pivots because it was raining. Watch the road, Caelan. Don't you be looking at the camera. I'm the one who looks at the camera here. You just gotta watch the road.
This isn't a road. It's our yard.
You gotta drive safe.
We're in our yard.
Oh, sure.
We're gonna go crop scouting.
Yeah, anytime we're by crops, Caelan knows I'm crop scouting. Today's been a little bit more of a relaxed day because it rained, so...
It rained 2 nights in a row.
I actually took this...
When it rains 2 nights in a row, that's when all the farmers' wives say thank you to God, but they don't tell their husbands.
Well, yeah.
Well, right now we want rain. You don't say that. You don't tell your husband that you're thankful for the rain when he's inside when you don't want rain.
Yeah. No, I actually used this Kubota earlier today because I met our Pioneer guy out and we looked at some corn. And so I already used this to crop scout today, but I guess Caelan wanted to come along this
Here's
time.
our Milo fields.
There's our Milo. It's tillering out pretty well. And then that's the corn under the big pivot over there. So this part of the Milo is pretty clean, but there's a few weeds out behind the feedlot over there. This part's pretty clean. We didn't get a perfect stand right up here by the turnaround because there was some compaction, but the rest of the field looks really good.
If you run over crops, then you lose money and you don't get to get new things like dishwashers.
That's Caelan's favorite thing to say. When she rides with me in the tractor, or in the combine,
Should we go through that? Or
Yeah, you can drive right through it. I drive through it with the feed wagon all the time.
Okay, now H.
That's her favorite thing to say when she rides with me in the combine. If I miss a spot of wheat, she says, well, there goes our new kitchen.
Exactly.
Can't dilly-dally too much if my cattle are hungry.
It's not that late.
No,
we have to go get the mail still.
Oh, we have to get the mail too.
That was the whole point of getting in the side-by-side.
All right, head on down there. Man, we could be cranking the tunes in here with our radio.
See, it's kind of far to the mailbox.
All right, you guys tell us in the video whether you think we have a mailbox that's far away from the house. Far away from the house or not. Are you gonna make me reach out and get the mail?
Yep.
Oh.
Sorry.
You missed it, Caelan. Is there anything good in the mail, Caelan?
Every single thing in the mailbox is a political ad.
Are you sure even that one that has a flower thing?
There's one card. From a nice lady at our church. She sent me a card.
Oh, that's great. Hey, look at that corn over there. Hey.
Let's go crop scouting the corn.
You just want to distract me so that you get to hang out with me before I do chores.
Well, I do love hanging out with you, but this thing is also really fun to drive. I'm going to see how fast it'll go.
All right, get it up to 40. There's the top end speed, folks. Oh, 41.
Ah, 41.
She broke the speedometer. 42. There's our early dryland corn.
You can feel the wind in this one.
Yeah, we like the Sidekick.
Oh my gosh, Cosby ran all the way out here.
Oh no, our dog tried to follow us.
You are a bad dog for running this far from home.
Go home, Crosby. Now he's got to follow us home. Does anybody else have a dog that goes after the UPS man?
Crosby, we gotta go.
Here's the thing, the UPS man, he knows all about our house. Caelan orders 25 things a week. I'm just kidding.
Well, it's really terrible because everything that is like for the farm gets shipped to our house, and so the UPS man for sure thinks that. So it's like my packages plus the farm's packages, and the UPS man for sure thinks that I have a problem.
Yeah,
But me and him are pals.
He's not totally wrong. She tries to keep Crosby from jumping on him. That's why he appreciates it.
I'll take you to your chore tractor now.
All right, if I'm late for supper count, it's your fault. So.
Well, word to the wise, we're having leftovers tonight.
Oh, you don't even have to make it.
Well, I was going to make spaghetti, but then I got distracted doing something else and decided I'm not doing that.
Yay, leftover.
It smells so bad when you drive right by the pins.
I mean, there's parts that smell bad, but for the most part, it smells great. Here we go, curbside delivery.
It's called curbside drop-off. You're not
Curbside
a delivery.
Curbside drop-off. Thanks, Caelan.
Thanks for letting me drive this.
Don't wreck on the way back to the house.
We're back for another ride, but I got kicked out of the driver's seat.
Parking brake.
Got him. How come you're not letting me drive tonight?
I don't know. I didn't think about it.
We are going to Kendall's aunt and uncle's house to pick some produce from their garden. We don't have our own garden, but we help them with their garden and reap the reward of their very good
Their hard work.
Anyway, Kendall's aunt and uncle are our next door neighbors.
Best neighbors.
They're the best neighbors. We love them so much, and we're so glad that they're our neighbors. And they're very good gardeners.
Hey, to be honest, I grew up at this garden, so like all of my 4-H projects were grown at this garden for like horticulture and stuff. So I feel connected to this garden anyways.
So there's our house over there, and then their house is just right across the pond. Just right over the pond. Just have a little road where you can just drive right up to their garden. And they have a really good view at their house. They can see a lot of pretty things, and you can see our farm back over the pond past their garden. She said there might be tomatoes, zucchini, and maybe a cucumber. We'll have to scout out what's going on. Kendall missed the tomato, and I spotted the one that's ready.
I still don't see it.
Yeah, there's a red one right down in there. There you go. I saw it. There's a red one on the next.
Wow, it's got a few little.
Oh, come on.
It's imperfect, but it's got a lot of good on it.
Looks yummy. There's another red one, kind of the same spot on this plant.
There's a lot of green ones right here. They look good.
Oh, there's one that's almost ready, but not quite.
Look at this drip irrigation they got set up. That is very.
Kendall's uncle is very innovative.
Yeah, he's a smart dude.
And he has a really good mechanical mind. So it's really not surprising. I told y'all they're very good at gardening. We should really try to learn more other skills from them.
We don't have a good place for a garden in our house.
I know.
Everything's taken up by cattle pens.
They have such a nice garden here. Kendall wanted to make sure I noticed the rhubarb growing because
She doesn't like rhubarb.
I don't like rhubarb, but Kendall sure likes it when I make strawberry rhubarb pie. So he wanted to make sure that I noticed it because he'll be wanting some pie.
Yum yum. Oh, shoot. We found the zucchini.
We're gonna have a lot
Whoa!
of zucchini to freeze. I like to cut up zucchini and freeze it so in the winter we can make zucchini bread and zucchini casserole. And there's some friends on there.
Oh yeah, we want to knock those off before we put it in the bag. We don't want those in our house.
Here.
We've got some plants on a vine.
We're gonna have to deliver to
giant
some
one.
friends. There's a giant one right down there.
Oh wow, okay.
We
Okay.
already have a big one on our counter that we haven't used.
Oh my. Look at this, reaping the harvest.
Reaping someone else's harvest.
I'm surprised they didn't take these off before they got. There's another one.
Well, we can leave one on their counter.
We can leave one on.
No, I meant we could.
I think we better take it. Yeah, we can leave that one.
No, that squash bug's kind of got that one a little.
So yeah, all sorts of different plants. I believe those over there are potatoes. Whenever I was raising potatoes, I called myself the Potato King. I guess that was the original Tiger King. I was the Potato King. Just kidding. There's another one.
No, that's a cucumber.
Oh, cucumber. Cucumber. Let us know in the comments what your favorite vegetables are to grow.
There's like
Not pigweed. That's not the best to grow.
Kendall, can you count? There's like 3 cucumbers on the ground. I can't get down low.
Oh, pregnant woman probs.
There was more than I thought. I didn't bring a big enough bag today. I
There's a
didn't
really cute flamingo on it though.
I didn't think there was gonna be this much stuff today. Sorry.
I'm just gonna leave that big as zucchini out.
Sorry I brought a tiny bag. Kendall and I both loved doing horticulture as a 4-H project when we were kids. But we don't have our own garden now, but maybe someday.
Yeah, we talked about having fruit trees.
Yeah, that would be fun.
But we also don't know where we would plant them either, because we don't want them to get blown over by the Kansas wind. Since we're on a date, I better do the
Oh my gosh, this is not a date.
And open up the door for you.
Kendall likes to call everything a date, like when we drive somewhere to a field together. It's not a date.
Or if we go to the doctor, it's a doctor date. If we go to the field scouting date. If we walk the dog scouting date. We go on all sorts of dates, babe.
We get to drive by our cornfield. Here comes Ziva to welcome us.
Ah!
Did you get one of the tomatoes for him?
I got a tomato.
Oh. Now you have to ring the doorbell and run away really fast. I don't even think they're home. I don't even think they're home.
No, me either. Grow, beans, grow!
We were just out cruising around and then we remember we got a pizza.
I put a pizza in and I did not set a timer, so.
I already ate dinner, so it's not mine.
Oh boy. Gotta go save the pizza! Smells like pizza. Oh, nice. It's not burnt. But I think it's ready, time to take it out.